everyone. Welcome to Thomas Top 5, where we ask kids to pick their top 5 Thomas moments, and we share them with you. Today, we're looking at everyone's favorite little engines, starting with number 5. At number 5, we have Philip, the small diesel engine. Philip has a big personality, a cheery attitude, and loves to race. Number 4. Little engine number 4 is Rex, the green miniature engine. Even though he teases Mike from time to time, Rex is a hard worker with a fun personality.
Oh, hello, Rex. Hello, Thomas.
Number 3. Number 3 is Bert, the blue miniature engine. Bert is a bit quiet, but he's not afraid to remind bigger engines that little engines can be useful too. Number 2. For number 2, we have Luke, the little quarry engine. Luke is a very energetic engine that's always ready to offer a helping hand.
Luke, so good to see you.
Number 1. And the number 1 little engine is Percy. Percy is best friends with Thomas and loves to deliver the mail. Sometimes Percy scares easily, but he's always ready to face his fears, learn from his mistakes, and do his best. Which little engine was your favorite? Thanks for watching. See you next time.